And now we're going to cover the subcategory A2, what is described fly close to people with a drone's class identification C2. And in this category, you required A2 certificate of competency. That means you required additional training. Flying over uninvolved people and over assembly of people. And who is exactly uninvolved people, who is involved people, and what is assembly of people? Any uninvolved person is a person what is not directly involved in your flight. There could be a person in the beach or in the park or walking on the street. But as well, the person what is not directly exposed to a drone flight could be also the person in the car, in the bus, what is indirectly exposed to the drone flight. An exact description from EASA you can see on the screen. Involved people, they are people who are directly involved in your flight. For example, drone pilot, observer, operator, and the customer. An exact description from EASA you can see on the screen. An assembly of people is a crowd of people, but is not exactly defined by a specific number of the people, but is related of the possibility of people to escape in case of any danger from a drone. For example, if a drone is gonna fail, it's gonna drop from a sky, they need to have easy possibility of escaping from that drone. There could be a people in a busy day in the park or on the beach. There could be a people in the commercial street during the opening hours of the shop. Could be on a ski resort, tracks. Could be on any event. An exact description from EASA you can see on the screen. C2 drones in the subcategory A2, flying over uninvolved people. And just to remind you, to fly in the A2 subcategory you require additional training. And with the C2 drones, you're not allowed to fly over uninvolved people or the group of people. And you have to maintain minimum horizontal distance of 30 meters from a people. And there is a rule 1-to-1. And what exactly does mean? For example, when you're flying on a high of 40 meters, you have to keep a distance 40 meters, 60 meters high, safe distance 60 meters. And this is up to that 120 meters. Then you have to keep that 120 meters from a people. And you can limit that distance if your drone is equipped with the low speed mode. And when you activate that low speed mode, you can fly with a close distance of 5 meters horizontal from uninvolved people. But only if your drone is equipped with the low speed mode and you go activated that low speed mode. And now the safe distance where you have to keep from residential, commercial or industrial area. For example, towns, cities, small village, any park or similars. And for the C2 drones in the A2 subcategory, distance regulations are very similar to A1 subcategory. If you're allowed to fly in this area, you just have to keep maintaining a safe distance between the drone and the people, animals, cars, buildings, and be aware of flying over uninvolved people and a group of people. Summary of A2 subcategory. Register as a drone operator, complete required trainings, and additional training for A2 subcategory. Read the drone manufacturer instruction and know your drone limits. Attach the operator number to drone, check the geo zones where you can fly, check the weather condition if you can fly, and when flying, keep visual line of sight at all time, maintain a safe distance between the drone, people, animals and others, report any accident to National Aviation Authority, don't forget about the drone insurance, do not fly over uninvolved people, keep a safe horizontal distance from the people minimum 30 meters, and remember about that 1-to-1 rule. With the low speed mode activated, keep a safe horizontal distance from people minimum 5 meters. Do not fly over 120 meters from the ground. Do not fly over the group of people. Do not fly in the no-fly geozones near the airports or helipads. Do not fly in restricted geozones without permission. Do not involve in the people privacy and do not record people without permission. Do not use a drone to carry goods or drop the materials, and do not modify your drone. And if you want to check any other drones regulation in the EU for open category or any other regulation for A1 or A3 subcategory, just browse my channel and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.